Ever yawn just because someone else did? Don't worry, you're not weird. It's totally normal. Yawns are contagious. And no, it's not some random brain glitch. Scientists believe it's linked to empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, especially a friend or family member, your brain kind of says, "Same here." The closer you are to the person, the more likely you'll copy their yawn. Even thinking about yawning can trigger one. You just yawned, didn't you? Yeah, me too. That's the power of the human brain trying to stay in sync. Wild, right?